Hi everybody and welcome to today's Gallery Teachers CPD webinar. My name is Harry Waters and today we're going to be talking about kicking off 2024 in the greenest way possible. So, what's today's session all about? Well, it's kind of a New Year's resolution for everybody to take that step into the next year and help our students focus more on environmental sustainability and slowly develop a greener mindset. We've got loads of practical ideas that you can add into your class with just a few moments here or there, but there's also a whole load of projects and some great ideas for what your students can do individually, but also when they work on their collective actions. So, come on inside and see what we've got for you.